Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday, US markets are positive trend, mainly on account of some softness in the labor market. Initial job claim reached to their highest level since October, indicating potential labor market is now getting soft, and which can support the interest rate hold by the Fed. Apart from that, even Amazon was up over there almost by around 3%, mainly on account of their analyst call, which had given positive signal. So that has taken the US market yesterday positive. Uh, Apart from that, futures of the US market are more of a flattish. Whereas if we see the Asian markets are mostly showing positive trend. Uh, Even the commodities are showing some positive sign in the morning today in China, wherein steel and iron ore are positive. Uh, the CPI inflation in China has come and that continue to remain low at 0.2%, whereas the world is struggling with inflation. China inflation data shows very nominal growth of 0.2% year on year. Uh, so there is an expectation now getting built up that the central bank in China may start further cutting the interest rates. Last they cut the interest rate in September. Considering that growth is not reviving with other efforts, the possibility of interest rates cut are now increasing. So that can support the metal market. Uh, Apart from that, yesterday in India also the central bank kept the interest rate unchanged and also CRR unchanged. Uh, the positive side, which was more of an unexpected line, the positive side was that the inflation expectation for the year has come down marginally by 10 basis point, and specifically for the Q1, the expectation has come off. We have the expectation of inflation in the even May month, which will be coming figure on 12th of this month, are also down at 4.7%. So that is reflecting in the RBI statement as well that the inflation is cooling off. So that can act as a positive in the coming period also. So now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, market ended in lower side after RBI policy. Already Indian market trading in upper end and trading overbought zone. So we expect some profit booking after event. And yesterday we saw that both index in profit booking, banking also and Nifty also. But till the date, Nifty have immediate support around 18,519 spot. Below 18,590, then we expect further profit booking towards 18,400, 18,370 at downside. Upside, first immediate resistance place around 18,720 and next resistance place 18,800 in spot Nifty. We expect today flattish open, see some sideways momentum. If we intraday 18,670 cross, then we expect further move towards 18,720. But if today's weekly close below 18,590, then we expect some profit booking to be the continued for next week. Nifty, Bank Nifty also, yesterday we saw that some profit booking after event and trading the near the support zone that comes around 43,370 level, 970 level. Below that, next immediate support place around 43,900, 43,650 at downside. The major support place around 43,650. Below that, we expect some profit booking, maybe some pressure in Bank Nifty also. Upside, first immediate resistance place 44,500, and above that, then we expect rally towards 44,740 and 45,000 in upside. The both index trading the near the immediate support level, that is Nifty 18,519 spot and Bank Nifty 43,900 first support for Bank Nifty. Nifty Finance also trading overbought soon, and yesterday we saw that some profit booking also there. First immediate support place for 19,420 and then 19,340. First resistance place 19,600 and 19,713 upside. So all three index trading in overbought. So you can keep a stick stop loss in all three index and trade. And stock specific market looks positive at current level. So we expect some positive momentum in PNB housing. We already given call in PNB housing. Next, in yesterday we saw that HDFC trading in upper side HDFC Bank. So we expect some positive momentum in HDFC Bank to be continued. So we expect next immediate uh, uh, resistance place around 1630. Above that, then we expect further rally. But 1590 is a immediate support for HDFC Bank. Is break that level, then we expect next immediate support place around 1580. That's a 200 DMA. Below that, we expect further sell off in HDFC. But till the date, trading the near the 200 DMA, so we expect keep a positive view in HDFC Bank with the stop loss 1580 and next immediate target place 1640, 42 and upside. That's it for technical. Derivative guy can get.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. On the derivative front, looking at the overall conditions and open interest, nothing much, has changed. PCR, which was a little overbought, has come down again. Open interest around 1.1 crore shares. while VIX around 11.2 is still at indicating positive bias. Um, 18,700 call yesterday witnessed some aggressive selling positions. A lot of open interest has been built up, indicating resistance on the higher end. So that is one area to watch out for. There is likely to be stiff resistance for Nifty above at 18,700 on the spot. Once that is crossed, we will see some more buying coming in up to 19,000 odd levels. Um, from the put side, another positive thing is that the base is shifting upwards. 18,500 had the highest open interest up till some time back, which was shifted to 18,000. But now 18,600 put strike has the highest open interest amongst puts. So the base is shifted higher. So on the lower end, 18,600 has a good support area for Nifty. So that is a positive, and all in all, looks like a range bound trading action for today. Nifty should remain in between 18,600 and 18,700, largely on the spot basis. From the stock specific front, a lot of PSU stocks continue to move up. As I had been saying, PSUs look very good. So NTPC, Concor, HCL, SAIL, NMDC, all of these stocks did witness some buying yesterday, and they are likely to witness further buying today. So look out for the same. These stocks should perform well going forward. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Hindustan Aeronautics will be holding a meeting on June 27 to consider subdivision of equity shares. So this is positive. IRB Infrastructure Developers has registered toll collection growth of 20% in May, in the month of May, at 411 crores against last year May month of 343 crores. So this is also positive. And Capacite Infra Projects will raise 96 crore through preferential issue of equity shares at a price of rupees 170 to prominent investors. So this will be taken as positively by the market. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'll request uh, commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Uh, so, in today's session, we are expecting gold and silver prices to rise. One can initiate a buy around 59,750 and maintain a stop loss of 59. 500. On upside, we are looking for 60,100 to 60,350. Silver also prices are expected to test 74,000 to 74,500. So one can initiate a buy around 73 300 and maintain a stop loss of 70 to 700. In crude oil yesterday, we had witnessed prices resisting 6050 and 6100 levels, and again testing the uh, lower support of 5800, and breaching that also led to further correction till 57, though the closing has been around 5900. So, all in all, for a pullback, one can buy, but with a very strict stop loss of 5800. One can buy around 58, 70, 60 and maintain a stop loss of 50 below 5800. On upside, strictly profit taking is advisable at 6,000 levels. And natural gas, we expect prices to rise, and one can initiate a buy around 198, 190, and maintain a stop loss of 185. On upside, we are looking for 200 levels where one can take profits. In metal front, copper, one can initiate a buy around 722-23 levels, and on upside 730-32 levels we are expecting. Zinc, we are expecting levels to test 220-221. So buying around 214, 214 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 212. Aluminum also one can initiate a buy around 205 levels and maintain a stop loss of 203. On upside, 208, 208.5 is the level we are expecting to take profits. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session, we are expecting a very range-bound movement in USD INR. So one can create a short position if we get levels around 52.6858, 82.58 levels, with a stop loss of 82.69 levels for the target of 82.46 and 82.40 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long position if we get some profit booking around in the levels of 103.18 or 103.10 levels. One can initiate a long positions with a stop loss of 103 levels with a target of 103.50 and 103.61 levels. In Euro INR, one can create a long positions around 88.86 to 88.79 levels with a stop loss of 88.62 levels for the target of 89.13 and 89.30 levels. Thank you.